Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to speed ramp on Davinci Resolve 18.6. So it's actually really easy. The first thing you need to do is, of course, have a clip on your timeline. Right click on the clip and wait, let me delete on that one there at the back. Right click on the clip and click on read time curve, which shows this some stuff over here, and I want you to uncheck the read time frame because that's useless. We only need to focus on the speed. So let's say we want to ramp up a speed in one part of the video. All we need to do is choose a part of the video, click on the keyframe here on the right corner, and now just drag the left or the right side of that keyframe. As you can see, to increase you need to raise it up. If you want to decrease the speed, then raise it down. Now let's add another keyframe to somewhere a few seconds later in the video and just drag it down to return the speed to normal. So this part here in the middle is where the ramping happens. So you can also use by make it more smoother the ramping by clicking on that button in white. No, that button right there, okay, that I showed you. So what it does is it ramps up this speed of the video. It creates ramping. Sorry, I need to lessen the size of the video to really show you that it's working, because so somehow my laptop's been lagging. Alright, so here, let me show you this one. This should work by now. As you can see, it did ramp up that one part over there. That is how you ramp up your videos on Davinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.